is a shame to know that I have a weakling as a father. A man who does not know his responsibility. A man who allowed his fellow man use and ride him like a horse. A man who sold his pride and dignity because of a woman. A man who watched his own wife get killed by her father and said nothing!
Shut up! Shut up! Before I strangle you to death! Shut up!
Papa, strangle me! Oh, strangle me! What have you not done? Kill me! Oh, you think killing somebody is when you take life out of them? What is worse than what you've already done? You sat down and allowed somebody place a curse on your only child!
And that somebody is your grandfather! Your maternal grandfather! So you have to stop!
I will not stop! Papa, I will not stop! If you want me to stop, go and bring Iswa back! Yes! If you want peace in this house, bring Iswa back! And you will not just bring it back, you will bring it back as righteous as it was! I am so disappointed in you!
Kwanda Awazumide. You are welcome, my daughter. You are before the shrine of Iswa. Here, we don't give peace or love. All we give is pain and wickedness in its fullness. Whatsoever that you desire, you will get it from here, no matter what it takes. You can do it, my daughter.
What is the meaning of this? This is not what he told me. I grew up believing that his guts does not hurt. And when I hear people call him bad, I fight them. So why is he saying all this to me now? Papa, I'm not feeling okay. I cannot follow you to the phone today. I'm not strong at all. My body is feeling.
So as you're not feeling strong enough to go to the farm with me, what are you going to eat today?
I There's nothing in this house, so maybe give me money. Before you come back, I'll make something.
That will be when I come back.
Okay.
But I will actually make sure I come back early. Okay. Hey, but in the meantime, as you're not feeling okay, bring out my pot of medicine, put it on the fire, and you cook it until it boils. Take a cup of it and drink. I am sure you will get yourself.
Okay, Papa. Yeah. Go on.
Okay. I hope you are not going to allow anybody to come here as I'm not here. And then make sure you drink your medicine like I said. I'll come back very soon.
The sun will soon be out.
Go where? Who are you?
Let's go to the farm. Why are you asking who I am? Papa? Papa, who are you talking to? Papa, who are you talking to? What are you looking for?
Someone that just passed. I was actually greeting the person that just passed here now.
Okay. Start going before the sun comes out.
Go. Let's go back.
Go where?
Am I equally having fever?
What are you doing in my compound? How many times have I warned you to stop coming here?
Why? No, give me one good reason I should stop coming to your compound.
Because I don't want to be in a relationship with someone who doesn't listen. With someone who doesn't want to be useful with her life. Someone who likes fights, quarrel more than anything in her life. Someone who goes around the village gossiping with married women. That is not the kind of woman I want to be with.
Well, your reasons are not good enough to break up with me. Yes. If you really want to break up with me, then you have to wait until you get something very tangible to do that.
Really?
Yes, really.
Then time shall tell if my reasons are good enough. Now, leave my compound.
I am not going anywhere. This is my man's house. I'm not going anywhere.
You know how aggressive I can be. Aida, don't push me. Leave.
And do I look like I'm scared of you? Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, I'm shaking. I am not scared of you. If you turn to fire, then I'll turn to cold water and make sure you burn no more. Yes. Leave me alone.
Listen to
Get your hands off me.
Listen to me. Let me warn you for the very last time. Let today be the first and the last time I will tell you this.
Stay away from me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. This is my man's house. I'm not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Gete, you have the money already. Go to the market and buy something and come and cook for us to eat. I am very hungry.
Papa, if you had given me this money before you left for the farm, you know there will be something for you to eat now, right?
My precious daughter, you will not understand. But now you have the money. Go to the market and buy something and come and cook. No Luckily problem. For you, today is the market day. So everything you need is in the market.
No problem. Let me go.
Go.
Let me just run so you know it.
Eh? My precious daughter. Eh? Very precious daughter of mine. Gete?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, what? Gete? Is this you?
Yes, it is me.
How can this be you? I just saw you off going to the market to go and buy something for us to eat. And you are still down here telling me that you are Gete. How can you be Gete? Who are you?
I am Gete.
How can you be sitting down here telling me that you are Gete?
Bring back the swag! Bring
Bring back Iswa! Bring back Iswa!
Honestly, Papa, I am losing it. Everything about my life is going down one after the other. I lost my wife based on this same issue. Now Iswa is appearing in the form of my daughter. I don't even know which one is my daughter again. Everything is just so confusing. Can I have Iswa back? Please.
Don't you dare speak of this again. What you are asking is rather too late. Iswa you speak of has hurt many souls. Innocent souls. The sacrifices Iswa accepts now, you or your daughter cannot provide them.
Iswa has hurt many innocent souls? Why did you let that happen? I mean, why did you do that?
You have no right to ask such question. Iswa is no longer with you. And for your wife, I am going to provide my last daughter to replace your wife, Enku. And I am going to protect your family.
Will she accept to marry a man like me?
She has no choice.
Well, inasmuch as I want a new wife, but that is not why I am here now.
I said, don't speak of such again. I am going to do a ritual to protect you and your family from your ancestors. I told you to bring your daughter, Kete, for a ritual to bridge that communication with your ancestors. I told you to bring Kete, your daughter, for a ritual so that Iswa will no longer use her face to appear to you. None did you attend to. None! But you are here, asking for what you know cannot happen.
But you can make it happen. Listen, my spirit is against that ritual. Let me have Iswa back, please.
We had an agreement.
Papa, where did you go to? I've been looking for you. Are you okay? You're not looking okay. Are you okay? What is it?
Gete, I just need you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
Is this really you?
I don't understand. What kind of question is that? This is me. What happened?
Well, I went to see your grandfather. He sent for me. And he sent his regards.
Okay. Is he okay?
Yes, very okay. He's very okay.
Okay. Go and relax. Let me finish cooking so now.
Take your time and cook. Actually cook as you like and eat. I am no longer hungry. I am okay now. Enku, your mother's sister, gave me something to eat.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Okay, go and relax. Let me finish.
My spirit has always kicked against this ritual. What have I gotten myself into? If I had known, I would not have agreed for this ritual to take place in the first place.
The kwan dago. Awa Zumene Zanda dam kwan dago. Awa Zumene.
Bring back his wife. 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 Bring back his wife.
I thought Ibako said they will not come back. I hope my daughter is safe. Why did I allow this happen to me? Just because of a woman. Where is that woman now? She is dead and gone.
Good morning, ma'am.
You are welcome.
It is obvious to me that you're just waking up.
how is that your business?
It is my business. Ever since I came to this house, this is the time you always wake up. Every morning. Why? I want to know. Tell me. I don't understand. You wake up by this time of the day? Were you like this when your mother was alive?
Do not ever in your life mention my mother again. Do you understand me?
What will you do? Answer me, what will you do? She was my older sister, so I can call her anytime I want.
Try it again. Try it again.
What will you do, I ask? It is obvious to me now that you see me as a slave. Right?
And that is none of my business. Did I ask you to be my slave? You are my father's wife, not my mother. Okay? So do not talk to me like you're my mother.
Listen to me and listen real good. I married your father as his wife and not to be your slave. Do you understand that?
Then marry my father. Did I ask you to do anything for me?
You think I'm happy being here? You think I'm happy marrying a man that is old enough to be my father? I am not! Do you understand that? My father forced me to marry your father, so you will accord me that respect. Do you understand that?
I do not care if you are happy or sad. Like I said, it does not concern me.
Oh, really?
Really.
Henceforth, get her. You will wake up early in the morning, you will go to the stream, you will sweep the compound, you will do every necessary thing you're supposed to do. Do you understand that? I will not be the only one doing the house chores in this house again. Never again. What rubbish? I should be serving you? I should be your slave? I will not try that. I'm not done talking to you. Come back here. Are you alright? How dare you walk out on me?
Do not try this again.
What will you do?
Do not try it again.
What will you do, I ask? Come back here. How dare you? How dare you? What are you doing? You want to slap?
What is wrong with you?
Alright.
No, does it mean you don't have any respect at all?
Look at her. Look at her.
Your father is sitting down here and you're doing this before him? You don't have respect for your father?
Ooh! You have urinated on your body again. Hey, look at her. How would she have respect for me? Look at her. Look at her. She has urinated on her body again. She has urinated on her body again. A grown-up girl like that. Eh? A grown-up girl like that. Hey! Look at the way everywhere is smelling.
Why did you slap her? Were you not the same person I asked to ignore her? Do the ones you can do and leave the rest.
I will not try that. I'm so sorry, my husband, but I will not try that. I refuse to be a slave to a girl in my age bracket. All in the name of I want to be a good wife. I will not try that.
I am not going to warn you again on this. Do the ones you can do. Ignore her. There is a reason for it.
What reason? What nonsense reason is that? Tell me. What reason? Tell me the reason. Let me know. Talk about it. Make it open. Oh, you can no longer speak? It is obvious to me now that there is no reason at all. You just want to be spoiling her, and I will not let that happen. What rubbish. Nonsense.
I'm telling you. Hey, you needed to see what she did to herself. She urinated on her body. A grown-up girl like that. Urinating on her body because of anger. Are you serious? I am telling you the honest truth. At her age. Hey! Had it been you came earlier, you would have met us here. I was so ashamed of myself. You know, had it been my husband did not tell me this on time, I would have thought maybe she had some kind of illness or something. I don't understand.
No, this is so unbelievable. If I had known this earlier, I would have annoyed her in the public and disgraced her for snatching my man from me. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you know.
So you better plan towards that. There's no time.
I will so laugh at her, eh? In fact, she's lucky I'm not you. Yes, she is, oh. Because I would have made sure she urinates on her body 1,000 times every day. Yes.
You know, I told her that if she does not accord me the respect I deserve as her father's wife, I will make this house a living hell for her.
Don't give her a chance, so. Don't even try it. Because I don't understand why an adult should behave like a child.
I don't understand.
As a matter of fact, I would disgrace her anywhere I see her in this village.
I am solidly behind you.
I will make sure she will cry.
She
I hate it when people take advantage of others for nothing.
I don't understand. I don't blame her. I don't blame her. It's her father I blame.
She's jealous of you. Isn't it obvious?
It's obvious, my sister. She's jealous.
She's very jealous of you.
Get it? My love, I've been expecting you. You don't look happy. What is the problem? Did I do anything bad to you?
No, you did not do anything.
So why are you sad? Talk to me. Talk to me, what happened?
I don't know what's going on. I don't know something is going on with me. Ever since that day, I've been having nightmares. Seeing things that I can't explain. I don't know what my grandfather did to me, but I know they did something to me. And I can't explain.
Get the people that you just mentioned are your family. Your grandfather, your father, they are the only loved ones you have. How can they possibly do something to you?
I don't know, but I know they did something. I see things. I have nightmares, even in the daytime. And what's part is, I don't even know what they are saying. It's like they're speaking in strange language that I don't understand. It is like spiritually my father and my grandfather is after me.
Hey.
Physically, Enku wants to kill me too.
My love, calm down. Calm down. Talk to me so that I can understand what you're saying. What your family can't harm you. How can that work? What's that smell? Did you urinate on your body? Like you urinated on your body? What is going on? Talk to me.
This is exactly what I'm trying to explain. This has never happened to me before. This is exactly what I'm saying. Something is wrong. I'm losing my mind. It's like everything is just going upside down. I don't know. They want to kill me. They're after me.
It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. But you need to freshen up because it smells so bad. Let me get you water so that you shower, okay?
So, the information reaching me is that you have refused to allow my friend rest in her husband's house just because she married your father.
And you seem to care about my own mother's only sister more than me? Are you forgetting she's my blood? I don't understand. Is that why you crossed me? You want to fight for her?
Because she's your blood doesn't mean you care for her. Yes.
You know what? I am not in the mood. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, I keep wondering what gives you the courage to sit and watch my friend, your father's wife, do everything at home while you insult and challenge her.
Aida, what is your problem? This is a family issue. Why do you involve yourself in it?
So who are you? No, who do you think you are? Look at this he-goat that doesn't know its direction. Who invited you in this matter?
And why are you insulting him?
No, why would I insult
Did he
him?
insult you? No, let me know why you are angry. Is it the fact that he dumped you or that I insulted your friend?
Dump me?
Yes.
Hell no. I can't be dumped.
Oh, really?
Look, you're very lucky I'm not my friend.
And if you are, what would you do? What are you going to do? Like I said, I have things way more bigger than you that I need to face. I do not have your time today. Okay? Do not try this thing again. Do not try it again because you will not like what I will do to you. Do you understand me? Gonna come back here. Where do you think you're going to? Look, who told you I'm done with you? And what other important thing are you talking about? Maybe it's the part you urinate on your body.
Hey!
No, go ahead and touch me, slap me. Don't touch me. What can you do? He goats. I hope you know she urinates on her body whenever she's angry. No, you would not know now. You would not know. That makes you an obvious he-pig. By now, I would have buried you alive. No, they will be asking me, where did I bury you? I will be showing them where I buried you. Nonsense. No, now. You would have stopped. I would have made sure you urinate on your body 1,000 times.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my very precious daughter. Where have you been? I have been looking for you.
Is there a problem?
It is not as if there is a problem, my precious daughter. It is just that I want us to have a discussion. See, I need you to know that I perfectly understand exactly what happened.
You do not understand nothing, Father. You do not understand anything. Because if you understand, you will help me make it go away and not make it worse for me.
No, I did not make it worse in any way. I was told everything will be fine after the ritual.
But did it get fine? Did it get fine? It obviously got worse as you saw it. Father, I feel like you know exactly what is wrong with me and you do not want to help me find a solution for it. I wish I knew what was wrong with me. I'll look for a solution myself.
I heard them get a crying.
You know how troublesome she can be sometimes. You know?
Hey, you really spoilt that girl. You really spoilt her. Because I don't know why a grown-up girl like that would be behaving in such manner.
A child who wants to be spoiled will always get spoiled, no matter how hard the parents try to train her. The strange part of it is that always the parents get blamed.
Right. You know why growing up, when I used to come visit my sister, she was never like that. She was never like that at all. I wonder what's changed there.
Change is the only constant thing in life. That's what they say. But I've told you, just ignore her and continue because I know that when the time comes, she's going to turn back to who she used to be.
I should ignore her. I should ignore her. Meanwhile, she should continue misbehaving. A grown-up girl like that. I should ignore her. You know, my husband, sometimes you sound as if...
Listen. What an old man sees seated, a child will never get to see that, even if she climbs the tallest of the trees. Okay? Ignore her.
I've said my own. Call her to order. Let her stop misbehaving. How can a grown-up girl be behaving like a small girl?
Bring back this wife. Bring back Israel. Why you people? Why are you tormenting me? What is it? What do you want? What is it, Sua? What are you talking about? What do I understand? Why are you tormenting me? I don't know what is Sua is. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Bring back Israel. 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 Bring back Israel.
I've been seeing this particular cat every night. Sometimes I even see it in the daytime.
A cat?
Yes, a cat. I even saw it this afternoon. You know, ever since whatever it was my father and my grandfather did to me, I have been seeing shadows. Shadows of these 3 persons. Sometimes I even hear voices. But I don't know what they are saying.
Shadows. My love, are you sure it's not your shadow that you see? You might be over imagining things.
I am not imagining anything.
Because you are always saying about your grandfather and your father doing some spiritual things to you.
I know what I am saying, Mulu. I am not imagining anything. I know what I saw. I know what I hear. I'm not.
Does your father know about this? I mean the shadows and the cat thing.
He does. And that's not even because I told him. You know, thinking about it now, this may actually have something to do with my mother's death. Things have been happening even before she died. But it wasn't this bad.
My love, it's okay, alright? Everything will be fine. And I want you to always remember that we are together in this. Okay? For the meantime, why don't we go to the village square to join up with the rehearsal?
No, I don't want to. I'll stay for a while and then I'll go home.
My love, you know the best way to get over traumas and emotional challenges is to mix up with your friends and play.
No. Enko and her friend have said terrible things about me in this village. I don't want to go to the village square and something goes wrong. They will mock me. They will make fun of me. I don't want any trouble. I will just go home and stay. Don't worry about me.
It's okay. If you say so. Alright? Just put yourself together. Alright? My love.
What are you doing now? Let's go. Let's go. Why are you confused? Let's go, please. Now allow me to do what I'm doing. Look, can you do this, please? Can you, please? Please! Are you okay? You want to have this to me? You cannot fight for me. You cannot fight for me. Ah, money. Ah, money. Ah, it will not be well with you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not well with you. Eh? You want to know? Don't you see me? Wait, you want to see me? Wait,
I don't understand this. Just point everybody's dance.
My love, wait. Come on. It's okay, calm down. Huh? You know you shouldn't have fought her.
Why?
What if you had killed her?
And then she would deserve it. She deserves it. Because I have been warning her to leave me alone in this village, but no, she will not stop. She deserves it.
My love, you need to relax. Okay? You need to understand that you don't win battles with violence.
I don't care. I have endured her for too long. Whatever she says is what she gets.
Just calm down, okay? Calm down.
See,
it's okay.
I forgot my bead at your house. Please bring it to me later. I am not in the mood.
At least let me walk you home.
What happened to you? Who did this to you?
Is it not that useless girl you call your husband's daughter?
I don't understand. I'm lost. What happened?
It's not fair with that girl.
What did you do to her?
I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to that winch. We were there rehearsing for the upcoming feast. The next thing, she missed her step and fell. What I saw on my face was a heavy blow saying I made her fall. That girl is a winch.
Just like that?
I'm telling you. Hey. You know the most annoying part? That useless boy that calls himself Mul was there. He couldn't even do anything to save me. He watched her beat me blue and black. Look at my body, look at my face.
Are you serious? She will come back to the house and meet me. She will come back to the house and meet me. You know what? I will take you to my husband. He needs to see what that useless daughter of his did to you. Yes. Follow me. Come.
Greetings.
Greetings, Mulu. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, sir.
So why are you here? How may I be of help to you?
Actually, I am here in respect of your daughter, Geta. And I am sorry if I'm going to overstep my boundaries.
I have not heard you. And you are already apologizing. That will mean you came here to say something that Let me not say anything. Let me hear you first. What happened?
I think Gete has some spiritual problems. Yes, I think she has a bad spirit that is disturbing her.
Who are you to be saying that? Her husband? Her brother? I mean, who are you to confront me with that information? Look at him. Listen, a man who has a problem and will not concern himself with his own problem, but instead is looking at another person's problem, we have that person's problem become his own. And that is what is going to happen to you. Now, let me tell you this thing before you go out and form an opinion that is never in existence. There is nothing wrong with my daughter. There is no spirit disturbing her. Am I clear on this?
Yes, sir. Like I said earlier, I am sorry if I overstepped my boundaries. I'd like to take my leave.
Get out of this place. That's how they end in trouble. Why will you say that?
My husband.
That thing
You were telling my daughter the other day, both of you were quarreling regarding how we became man and wife. Can you explain to me exactly what you were trying to say?
Explain what?
What you were trying to communicate to my daughter that day?
My husband, listen.
What is it, Suwa?
I don't
know what is Suwa is. Please explain to me. Explain to me. Explain to me.
What is happening?
Just remain here. I will take care of it.
Hey! Has he got into that? She now talks to herself. Eh?
She is not wrong calling me a weakling. I could not defend my wife, and I could not defend her equally. By every definition of that word, she may be right that I am indeed a weakling.
What is Isua? I don't know any Isua. I don't know what's going on.
Jete, what is actually wrong with you? Does it mean you cannot become useful for yourself? Every day you are sitting down here doing nothing. All your age mates, they are all married, living very happily with their children in their husbands' houses. And here you are, wasted every day. Does it mean you cannot get useful for yourself?
Since when did he start checking on me? I'm sure he knows what's happening in this house. But if he knows, why is he not finding a solution?
Please don't kill me.
We are not harmful, our child.
Who are you? And what do you want from me?
We are the ancestors of this family.
Oh yes. I can see Gite's mother. But what do you people want from me?
We came to you because we cannot communicate with Gete. A witch spell was casted on her to block us from reaching her. Tell her to bring back Iswa. Tell her to bring back Iswa. Let her bring back Iswa.
What is Iswa?
Iswa is a family deity. A deity that was meant for protection, but now used otherwise. Let her bring back Iswa.
It's a dream. It is a dream. They said that they are Gite's ancestors. That I should tell Gite to bring back Iswa. That Iswa is a family deity, meant for protection. But it's now used otherwise. So, I should go to Gete. Yes, I should go to Gete at once before I forget this message.
Bring back Iswa. Bring back Iswa. Bring back Iswa.
What is Iswa? What are you saying? What is Iswa? What are you talking about? What is Iswa? What is Iswa?
Azie!
Father, what are you doing here?
Am I not welcomed here?
Listen, this is your father. Can you offer him something? He's not the kind of guest you keep waiting. Go. Fast, fast, fast.
Okay.
Your ancestors sent him and he's on his way to meet with your daughter. I am here to stop him.
Who?
Greetings, my fathers.
Did you not see your grandfather?
My husband, I did not see. This one that behaves like someone that is possessed.
Had it been I had the gift of spiritual powers, I would have solved whatever your problem is a long time ago.
Didn't you see your grandfather? Go and greet him. Go and greet your grandfather. Go.
Greetings, grandfather. Hey! I do not wish to have a child like this. May the gods forbid.
But I asked you to go and get something for your father who is visiting. Can you go and do that?
I did not see the cola.
Because you didn't look well.
I did not see the cola. That's what I wanted to ask you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
What did you do to him?
I removed the memory of the message from him.
What if the memory returns? I said, what if the message comes back to him?
You ask a lot of questions. With this, I will handle him once I get back to the shrine.
My love, why did you behave like that towards your grandfather?
Because he's evil. He's wicked. I strongly believe he has something to do with my mother's death. I know he and my father connived and did something evil to me. I don't know what, but I am going to find out.
My love, you know, it is difficult to believe that a father and a grandfather will actually want to hurt their own child, let alone carrying it out.
So you think I am mad? No, do you think I am insane?
I have been complaining to you. Do you think I don't know what I am saying? They did something to me. Urinating on myself. You've known me since childhood. Do I behave like this? Urinate on myself when I'm upset? I rarely sleep at night. And in the daytime, I hear strange voices. Worst part is, I don't even understand what you're saying.
This is serious.
Anyway, why did you even come to the house?
I don't even remember.
That reminds me. Why did my grandfather visit this early? That's unlike him.
You don't remember?
Yes. Immediately I came into your compound. I totally forgot.
But there was a reason you came.
Obviously, yes.
Okay, now think about it. Think!
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Mulu, what's wrong with you? Mulu, Mulu, what is wrong with you? Mulu, what is going on? Mulu, help! 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 Somebody help me! Help! Help! Mulu, what is wrong? What happened to you? What is wrong? What is it?
Isua.
What is Isua? Isua.
Isua, they said you should bring back Isua.
I know that name. I know. What is Isua?
They said you should bring back Isua.
Who is there?
They are your ancestors.
Who is there? What are you talking about?
Your ancestors. I saw your mother. Yes, I recognize her. That is the reason I came to your house earlier. But immediately I came into your compound, I forgot everything. I saw them in my sleep.
What is Isua?
They said it is a family deity meant for protection, but it's being used otherwise.
I have never heard of any deity, let alone seen one.
Your father should know it. But since you said your father and your grandfather have a negative impact on you, I don't think it's a good idea to ask him.
So what are we going to do?
Iswa. Sandi da kwanda da go. Iswa, you are the greatest amongst all the oracles. You are that great oracle that takes life from one when the life of that person is sweet. I present to you the sand of his footprint. He has crossed his limits. He has crossed his boundaries. He is crossing on our path. He must be stopped. Iswa, the sand of his footprint. Destroy him. Sandy the Pun.
I have an idea.
Okay, what is it?
We should go to Agaba. He's a native doctor, the oldest in our community.
The
do you think he knows anything?
Yes, I believe he can help us. But even if he doesn't know, he can direct us to someone that can help us.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go.
No! No. They are taking her to Agaba. They are going to reveal everything to her. They are going to reveal Iswa to her. No, I must stop them. I must do everything possible to stop them. Gete! Gete!
For the situation I find myself in. Monoye is the only one who understands me and is ready to help me. Ancestors of Azie's family, if you really sent him a message to me, please save him. Please don't let him die. I don't have anyone else. Please save him. How are you feeling? Sorry.
I feel much better now.
Sorry.
Greetings, my children.
Greetings.
My son, don't be afraid. She has already healed you. She has powers she's not aware of. But today, I'll open her eyes. She is an incarnate of Iswa. She was born with powers. Powers to fight, powers to protect herself. I hear you, Great Agaba. The snake that beat you on the road was an attack from a warlock to prevent both of you from getting before Great Agaba. He knows very well that if you get here, I will expose him.
Was it my father or my grandfather?
Your grandfather. Your grandfather uses Iswa to execute his wickedness.
Great one, I don't understand.
Your father exchanged your family deity for your mother's hand in marriage with your grandfather.
Really?
When your father was looking for a wife, your paternal grandmother chose your mother for him, and he liked her very well. But your maternal grandfather refused to allow them to get married. He frustrated them, but in the long run, he gave your father a condition, which he agreed.
And that condition became a secret between both of them.
Great one. What was the condition, if I may ask?
A backward, your maternal grandfather, desperately needed a sower. He did everything within his powers, but he did not succeed. So when your father came to ask for your mother's hand in marriage, he saw it as an opportunity to have a sower. And he asked your father to exchange his family deity with your mother's hand in marriage. He promised him that if he agrees, he's not going to spend any money to marry your mother. And he will also give him plots of land. Your father agreed.
Great one. Why was her grandfather so desperately in need of Isua?
Isua is a great deity from a community called Chichiga. Your paternal great-grandfather brought it to protect his family after he lost 6 out of 7 male children he had. And Isua protected his family. He did not only protect his family, he also exposed the evil ones in the family. So Isua became very popular within the community.
But great one, how does a deity that is known for protection and peace become a deity used for evil?
My daughter, the ways of the gods are not the ways of the mortals. Deities will do whatever you want them to do for you if you are ready to do the needful. The needful, I mean, if you can offer the sacrifice required.
Greetings. You sent for me?
Trouble looms, Azay. As we speak, Agaba is revealing everything to your daughter.
Agaba? How did she go there?
That stupid young boy led her as I tried stopping them. But I could not. She knows everything.
What happens next? Please, don't kill her. She is all that I have. Instead of killing her, kill me. I brought this upon my family.
You can die if you wish, Azay. I sent for you because I want to inform you that once your daughter returns, she will confront you. Deny everything.
Obviously I will. But what happens next? That is what I am bothered about.
Nothing. Nothing will happen.
I want to beg you something. And I am begging you this from the very depth of my heart. Please, don't kill her like you killed the mother. I will not be able to survive it. Please.
As I said, if you wish to die, that is your choice.
So, Mother, you said you want to see me. What do you want us to talk about?
It's about your father.
Father?
Yes. Your father is behaving so strange. I don't know what is going on with him.
Mother, you don't need to worry yourself. I will talk to him and know what the problem is all about. Okay?
Okay, I'm so worried. I'm so worried about him.
Mother, you don't need to worry yourself too much. I will take care of it. Okay?
Okay.
Ibafwe, they said I must have to bring Iswa back for my daughter to take over.
We had an agreement, Azay. An agreement that can never be reversed. Have you forgotten that you took an oath never to have Iswa back? Have you forgotten that I handed my daughter's hand in marriage to you in exchange for Iswa? Be careful of what you ask.
But you are my in-law, the father of my wife. The person who will take over, is it one your blood? Your granddaughter?
You cannot have Iswa back.
Why?
You cannot have Iswa back. I am not done with Iswa. Yes, if you must have Iswa back, then be ready to return my daughter the same way she was when I handed her hand over to you in marriage. And I mean, as beautiful as she was,
she is still very beautiful,
with her virginity intact.
What? How is that possible?
Then if it is not possible, that is how it is not possible for you to have Iswa back. I am done with this conversation, I say.
Why would you be asking the impossible? How can the virginity be intact? What is this one now?
Father, what is wrong? Stop it, Father. I know when you are bothered. Feel free to share with me. Remember, a problem shared is a problem half solved.
There is nothing to share. You don't need to be disturbing yours. I am very fine. I am fine.
Why are you lying, Father? Even Mother told me you have not been yourself for some days now. She said you started talking to yourself all of a sudden the other day. Father, we are your family. Talk to us. Let's put hands together and solve the issue.
Listen, there is no issue to solve. I am telling you the truth. Stop bothering yourself. I am fine.
Okay. If you insist, no problem. Do you care for anything?
Get me water to drink.
Okay, Father. Where is the food?
What just happened?
Where is the food?
Where is the food?
You are not talking. Where is the food?
All of us are looking for the food. Where is the food?
Bring back Iswa. Bring back Iswa. Bring back Iswa.
Gata! Gata! Yes, Mother.
Please, Go and get me more water and add to the food. While I go inside and bring pepper.
Okay, mother.
Okay, go.
Mother! Mother!
I'm coming.
Mother, did you take the pot out?
I left the food on the fire.
Where is the pot?
What disappeared?
Can't find it.
Let's go and call your father. It's obvious that something is wrong and you are not telling me. Why all these strange things happening to us? Why?
Munit, don't disturb yourself. I am only having small personal misunderstanding with the deity. That is why it appears as if there are problems. But I am working towards settling it. Even your father is assisting me.
You are having personal misunderstanding with deity.
Yes.
That has to lead to disappearance of food and even pot on the fire.
That is the deity. Nothing to be bothered about.
I do not believe you. You have to tell me the truth.
They are just taking turns.
I don't believe you.
Why did you decide to come to me instead of going to your father? He is also a native doctor.
Great one. I do not trust my father. And I have noticed some suspicious movements between him and my husband. I do not trust him.
So what do you want the great Agaba to do for you?
I have come to make inquiries about my home. A lot of strange things just suddenly started happening. I'm worried.
Agaba the Great, Agaba the Great. My eyes is not bigger than your eyes. My ears are not bigger than yours. Tell me, let me relate to her. I see. Woman, your marriage was a swap deal between your husband and your father. Your husband gave your father their family deity, while your father gave him your hand in marriage.
Exchange in the name of marriage?
Yes. Because your father was desperate. He wanted his family deity, Iswa, desperately. So when your husband came to ask for your hand in marriage, he saw it as an opportunity. He made him an offer he couldn't refuse. Your father brought money for your dowry and spent all the money in your marriage. He also gifted your husband plots of land.
Oh, yes. I remember. He gifted us lands. I remember.
Yes, that was part of the agreement they reached for him to have Iswa. You see, your husband's time to serve their family deity Iswa is over. He is supposed to hand over to your daughter, who happens to be the reincarnate of the deity. But he's unable to do it because he's no longer in custody of the deity. And your father have refused to release the deity. That is why the ancestors that brought that deity to your husband's family is very angry with him. That's why strange things are happening in your home.
Thank you, great one. Thank you so much.
Woman, be careful. Your husband is a warlock. He operates with a cat. He turned the power of Iswa to witchcraft. Be very, very careful.
Thank you. Thank you, great one. Thank you.
My wife and my daughter are becoming very worried and anxious about me. They are not able to understand anything anymore. And I have every reason to believe that my ancestors are angry with me because of this.
You cannot have Iswa. I cannot let Iswa go. I have done so much with Iswa. Even if you must, you or your daughter cannot perform the required cleansing rituals.
Can I have it first? When I have it, then we can figure out how to go about the cleansing ritual.
I never knew the man I call father is a witch. The man who is after his wicked intentions more than the happiness and progress for his own children. A man who goes about hurting innocent souls. I cursed the first day I called you father.
Monit, will you just shut up? Shut up, Monit! What has come over you? Do you realize you're talking to your father?
He is not my father. And for you, you are the greatest fool I've ever seen. My greatest regrets. I don't have your time yet.
Monet, let me tell you, you must not believe everything that you hear.
Really? Even the one with evidence? Let me ask you, do you have Israel in your custody or not? If yes, how did you get it? How? We all know that Israel belongs to my husband's family. You use your own child and swap for a deity. You are very, very wicked.
Can you just keep quiet? Just like they say that the walls have ears, even the ground and the tree have ears equally.
I do not care who is listening or not. Neither will I spare a man that do not care about my happiness. A man who is going about harming innocent souls. I will not spare you. But I will tell the entire community how wicked you are. Evil man.
Monit, come back here.
Hamilton, sit. Do not say a word regarding her death, else you will face the same punishment she is facing right now. I said do not speak. Your daughter Gete will undergo a ritual process. This very process will stop Iswa from using her face to appear to you. This very ritual will stop your ancestors from having any connectivity to your family. This very ritual will stop your daughter from having any communication with your ancestors or Iswa. This very ritual will stop your daughter from communicating with them. She can only see them in her dreams. The moment she wakes up, she will lose her memory about them. I am going to protect you and your family.
Even with the way you say this, you say it as if it is very easy. How do we go about it? How are we going to convince Kete to become interested in any ritual? How?
I will give you a substance that you will add in what she will eat. Once that is done, leave the rest for me.
Why are you talking about substance? You want to kill my daughter
Then will you shut up?
But you just killed the mother. You want to kill my daughter
She is my daughter. Do you love my child more than me?
How do we bury your daughter, my wife? What should we tell the people that killed her?
Why are you bothered about what to tell the people? Tell them that she was devoured by a wild animal in the farm.
My daughter knows she did not go to the farm.
You see why I say that you don't have the commonest of sense? Why can't you find something that is meaningful, that can be acceptable, and tell them? You can tell them that she was bitten by a snake on her way. Anywhere, just tell them anywhere, whatever.
Please, in all of this, don't kill my daughter. Please. I will not be able to survive it.
Far from it. She's a direct reincarnation of Iswa. I cannot kill her. Only Iswa can kill her.
That means you cannot kill me too?
That was how your grandfather killed his own daughter. If a Bakwe has the power to kill the offspring of Iswa, he would have killed your father long ago. But if he tries it, he will die because he serves their family deity. Only thing he can do is to inflict his warlock powers on them, just like he is doing to you now.
There was a day they took me to his shrine. I don't know what they did to me.
He made some marks on your back and added black powder. That black powder was to prevent you from communicating with your ancestors one-on-one.
So, Great One, how do we reverse it?
The only way to reverse it is when you get back Eswa, or if your grandfather dies.
I also see cats. The cat keeps crying. It comes every night, sometimes even in the day.
That is your grandfather. He's always coming to monitor you in form of a cat. It's because of that you don't understand your dreams anymore.
Will he also come for Mulu?
He will definitely come for him. But not to worry. I will protect him. He can't be hurt.
Greetings, my husband.
For your own good.
Welcome.
Just get out of my presence.
My husband, you don't look alright. What is the problem?
Because I am not alright. Get out of my presence, you daughter of a warlock, before I kill you with my bare hands.
Me? Daughter of a warlock? What are you talking about?
Where is Geta?
I don't know. She left this house since morning with Mulu.
Good. Now leave my presence because I need some privacy.
My husband, what is
wrong
with you?
I say you should leave. Hey, leave.
Great Agaba, come and protect your son. Protect your son from all evil. Let his good heart not be his doom, as he helped his friend to recover her inheritance. Let the power of the witches, power of the wizards not affect him. Let no evil befall him from the south, from the west, from the north. Let no evil befall him. Nobody finds water and lives to tell the story. As I fortify you today with this water from Great Agaba, anybody that rises against you will be consumed by the water. No harm will come to you. Anybody that fights against you will be consumed by the water. Arise, my son. Arise, for no harm can befall you. You cannot go. No evil can befall you. Arise. Take it. So, you can go. No harm can befall you.
A very big thank you for everything you've done for me. I really appreciate it. And may the ancestors of Gambela bless and keep you safe.
Thank you. If I truly love you, I should always be there for you in your times of trouble. And I'll be the happiest man to see you come out of this your ordeal victorious.
I surely will come out victorious. I know.
I know. Even before Agaba said it, I know you to be a great woman. Regardless, Aish, I want you to be very careful. Okay? He who the God saves, you'll always be able to save himself.
Thank you. I'll be very careful. Also, remember, he said my grandfather will visit you. So be at alert.
Oh, come on. I will. Let's go.
All right. Thank you.
Can you imagine? Come back and meet in this house.
What is the meaning of this?
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? You left this house since morning and you're just returning. Where are you coming from? The next thing you will do now is to carry my food and eat. Carry my water and bathe with it. As what? Am I your maid? Am I your maid? Do I look like your slave? I am not your maid. I am your father's wife. So you have to tell me where you are coming from. Start talking.
I'm sure you heard what I did to your friend. Now, if you do not leave my path, yours will be worse.
I'm shaking. Yes, I'm so scared. Now listen and listen real good. I am not scared of you. And hey, do not remind me of what I've forgotten. Else you will not like it.
I'm glad you remember. You daughter of a wizard. Now leave my path.
What? What did you just call me? Me? Daughter of a wizard? Eh? Hey, hey! Wonders shall never end. I see. No problem. Daughter of a wizard, right? No problem. I accept. Then that makes you granddaughter of a wizard. How does that sound? Granddaughter of a wizard. You have to tell me where you're coming from before you will enter this house. If not, you will not enter my kitchen to take anything that belongs to me until you will tell me where you're coming from.
Uncle, leave my path.
I will not do that. Start talking. Where are you coming from? You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm joking? Where are you coming from? You think I'm playing? Oh! Are you okay? My husband! My husband!
Are you okay?
My husband! My girl's hand is very strong. Hey! Hey!
It is a shame to know that I have a weakling as a father. A man who does not know his responsibility. A man that allows his fellow man to use and ride him like a horse. A man who sold his pride and dignity because of a woman. A man who watched his own wife get killed by her father and said nothing!
Shut up! Shut up! Before I strangle you to death. Shut up!
Papa, strangle me! Oh, strangle me! What have you not done? Kill me! Oh, you think killing somebody is when you take life out of them? What is worse than what you've already done? You sat down there and watched somebody cast a spell on your only child, Papa.
That somebody is your grandfather. You are maternal grandfather. So you're going to stop whatever.
I will not stop! Oh, I will not stop! If you want me to stop, go and bring back Iswa. If you want peace in this house, bring back Iswa. And you will not just bring it back. You will bring it back as righteous as it was. I am so disappointed in you. So disappointed.
No. No. No!
I have sacrificed and done a lot for Mulu to stop me. Sunda Zunda!
Father, my husband came back the other day looking worried. When I tried to ask him what the problem was, he started insulting me, calling me names. He even went as far as calling me the daughter of a warlock. The same thing. His daughter did the same thing. She called me the daughter of a wizard.
They are frustrated because of the sins of their father.
What sins are you talking about, Father? Don't tell me that. They have suddenly known who you truly are and what you do?
Yes, we have. What an evil grandfather you are. Return Iswa to where he belongs. I will not warn you again. Wicked man.
I hate her. I hate her so much. Come back here. Get her. Hey, come back here. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you think you can insult my father in my presence and go scot-free? How dare you?
In case you're forgetting, he's also my father.
Your father, my foot! What nonsense! You think you can insult my father in my presence? And I will allow you? Are you serious? What gave you the guts? What do you think you are? I'm talking to you! What do you think you are? I will teach you a lesson today since you're stupid! Useless girl!
Are you okay? Are you stupid? Since your father has decided not to respect himself, respect his end, do you understand me? Since your father has decided to hurt innocent people with something that does not belong to him, I will keep disrespecting him. I will disrespect him. Are you okay?
Father!
You have finally decided to show yourself. Evil man!
Gete is in danger. She needs your help urgently. Go and help her.
Where is she?
She's at home. Go and help her. Go! Go!
Gete! 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 I can't find her. Nor anybody here. Where have you taken her to?
Aze, your daughter Gete has found out the power that possesses her. She is aware that she's a true reincarnation of Isua. If you do not do anything now, she will come after me. And I am not going to allow that to happen.
So, what do you intend to do?
I will make her mad.
No. My only child cannot be made to be mad. Please.
Aze, I gave you a wife. She will bear you a child. Another child. I will make her mad.
No. No.
Madness does not mean death.
I am not going to let that happen. No.
Wake up! What are you doing? What's going on here? What? Father!
Hey.
Father, come! They want to escape!
No. She is the only one I have.
Papa, come on, Papa! Papa! Papa, you want to take her away? Papa! Father, come! They want to escape! Father! Father! Come back here! Where are you going? Father, come! They want to escape! Yes!
Please tell me, what will you do with him?
And what does it look like that I will do with him, Aze?
I want to know.
The day he decided not to stay clear from my path was the day he decided that I should end his life.
He will help you. Run to Agaba. Run to Agaba. He will help you. Mulu. Mulu. Mulu.
kill her. Please help us. Please.
He cannot kill her. He can only inflict pains on her.
I overheard them arguing with Azie about making her mad, saying that madness is better than death. Please, help her, save her, please.
Ibakwe has too powerful deity in his shrine. I cannot defeat him inside his shrine. But if there is a way you can make him come out of the shrine, I will defeat him.
Okay, I will go back and I will distract him to come out of his shrine. Please, you have to come and save her, please.
I will come. Go and do that and I will be there. Agaba! It's time for war.
Samunda! Samunda! Drawale! Samunda! Darawale! This concerns my grandchild, Gete. I have tried so hard to avoid hurting her. It pains me so much. But the more I try, the more she brings herself closer. Her determination to have Iswa. It must not happen. She only wants to have Iswa back. Such can never happen. Zamunda! I have never wanted this. But now, it will happen. Madness! Bring madness upon her.
Where is that evil man? Where is the evil man? Where is he? Wicked people. Evil people. Where is he? Where is he? Come out and fight me. Wicked people. Here you are.
What gave you, little colored mouse, the mind to return?
You think I'm scared of you? You think I am scared of you? Yes, I returned to save your granddaughter from her grandfather and her father and her supposed father's wife. Imagine a stranger coming to save your own granddaughter. It's a shame. Shame on you.
Oh, now I see. The master planner himself. Oh, you are the one that gave this little colored mouse the mouth to rant before me?
Oh, when he sees the master, he recognizes him. That is great. A backward. What an evil man you are. A deity that's supposed to stand for progress and peace is what you have done to evil.
That same deity, you came for it. For what purpose? What was your intention, I ask?
I went to the source to get that deity for peace and progress. But because of evil people like you, it is no longer being given out. Because of your evil.
Deities are meant for purposes. What you use it for is for your own good. You stand me? How dare you? Zamunda!
This is his sword. Don't touch it. There must be a ritual that must be performed to cleanse the deity of all the evil your grandfather performed with it.
What kind of ritual? What do we need to do?
We must consult Agaba so that we don't make mistake. Follow me.
Weakling as a father. A man who does not know his responsibility. A man that allows his fellow man to use and ride him like a horse. A man who sold his pride and dignity because of a woman. A man who watched his own wife get killed by her father and said nothing!
Shut up! Shut up! Before I strangle you to death. Shut up!
Papa, strangle me! Oh, strangle me! What have you not done? Kill me! Oh, you think killing somebody is when you take life out of them? What is worse than what you've already done? You sat down there and watched somebody cast a spell on your only child, Papa.
That somebody is your grandfather. You are maternal grandfather. So you're going to stop whatever.
I will not stop. Oh, I will not stop. If you want me to stop, go and bring back Iswa. If you want peace in this house, bring back Iswa. And you will not just bring it back. You will bring it back as righteous as it was. I am so disappointed in you. So disappointed.
Doctor, help me. I can't see anymore.